Hey gorgeous, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video, like you already can see, I'm going to be showing you how I got my nails from the basic ones to these gorgeous red ones. I know it's not all that neat, but at least it does the job. If you're here for the first time, thank you for stopping by. And to returning subscribers, you guys already know you're the best. So first things first, these are the items I use for my nails. I do my nails myself on a regular. Yeah, I don't spend all that much. Very cheap, you know. The nail file, super glue, and yes, I use super glue because it makes the nails last longer. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but if super glue is used for your nails at the salon, the nails last longer than when you use the regular nail glue. So that aside, I already filed my nails, all 10 of them, and what I do for a start is to select the nails I'll be using, because the nails come in like pairs and there's always numbers written on them. The numbers range from 0 to 10. So there's 2 nails with 0, there's 2 with 1, 2, and all of that. So I select the ones that would work best for my natural nails. I make sure they're the perfect fit, so there won't be any errors in the process. So what I'm doing now is just to size them up and know which match perfectly for my nails. And yes, I should add that the bigger the nails, the smaller the number. So the one for my thumb is actually 0, and the one for my last finger is about 10 or 8, something thereabout. And to begin, I apply some clear polish on my nails to sort of protect the surface from the super glue I would be applying in a moment. I do this to all nails, to all of the 10 nails, and I let it sit for about 5 seconds or more than 5 seconds. Just a bit of glue does the job. You don't have to apply too much so it doesn't become messy and sticky. It could even affect your fingers in the process. Just be careful, apply just a little, then push the artificial nail down, slide it down to prevent bubbles from appearing on the surface. Just put it down, hold it for some seconds, and yes. You repeat the same process for all other nails till you're satisfied with the outcome. Now I'm done with my left hand. Then we go ahead to cut the excess off. Please don't mind my scissors, quite old. Just cut to the level you're fine with. This is the length I like. So I just try to do the same thing for all other nails. I just repeat the same process for the other part. There's nothing new. It's the same old process we used for the previous one. I've cut them all, and now I'm trimming with this nail clipper to my desired length. Now it's time to file them into shape. Some people actually leave the nails like this, but no, not me, never. I just file until it comes out the way I want it to. We're done filing, and it's time to paint them red. At this point, you just have to be extra careful so you don't smear the polish. You don't want to destroy all you've been building for hours. No, not hours actually, for minutes. It took me about 30 minutes to get this done. Once you master the art, you really don't need to visit the salon anymore, trust me. And we're done with the nails. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section. Also, let me know if you'll be trying this out yourself. I would love to see the results. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop your comments, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.